Hello students, good morning. Standard 6, subject honeysuckle, workbook part 1, यूनिट 3 टारोज रिवर्ड। टेक्स्ट बुक में हमने टारो रिवर्ड्स का सब कंप्लीट कर दिया है। अभी हम वर्कबुक करेंगे, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट वीडियो में चैप्टर एक्सप्लेनेशन करेंगे। वर्किंग विद द टेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन द टेक्स्ट यूनिट, सिलेक्ट द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शंस एज आंसर। Taro lived. B. Taro earned his living by B. Chopping wood in the forest. Taro wanted to earn more. C. To fulfill the needs of his parents. Taro's old father wanted to have a cup of shake. A. On a very cold stormy evening, Taro decided to work harder so that he could. A. Taro stopped chopping because C. B, B, C, A, C. जो बाकी रहेगा वो बाद में कराऊंगी। Who spread the story of Shrek throughout the village? D. On reaching the waterfall, Taro found to his great surprise. A. The villagers were shouting for Taro because they felt that. B. Taro kept hiding behind a rock because. B. The empire of Japan divided Taro. B. Taro was divided by the empire for. D. D, A, B, D. Complete the incomplete sentences. Though Taro worked very hard, he earned very little money. Taro was a thoughtful son and he wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. Taro became sadder than ever because the heartwarming drink cold shake was very expensive. After constant chopping and the cutting, Taro was so warm that he had to take off his jacket. Taro could not remember ever seeing or hearing a rushing stream in that part of forest. By the nightfall, the lady had spread the story throughout the whole village. The next morning, Taro started for work even earlier than the morning before. देख लो ध्यान से। Okay. State whether the following sentences are true or false. Put right for and false for in the given boxes. Taro was a carpenter by profession. False. Ora was a thoughtful son. False. Taro tha. Taro's father wanted a cup of shake to warm himself. True. Taro was not in the position to bring shake for his father because it was too expensive. True. The lady thanked Taro's father for giving her directions to reach the waterfall. False. Every visitor of Taro's house took a sip of shake. True. The next morning, Taro reached the waterfall earlier than other villagers. False. The other villagers found that the liquid flowing from the waterfall was only cold water and not shake. True. After the villagers had left, once more Taro tasted the liquid falling from the waterfall, but it was only cold water now. False. The beautiful fountain in the city was named after Taro. True. Okay, comprehension questions. Very short answer type questions. Answer the following questions in one sentence each. What was Taro? Taro was a woodcutter. Taro was a woodcutter. क्वेश्चन को देख के आंसर लिखना, कुछ भी मत लिख देना. What was Taro? Taro was woodcutter. और मैंने नंबर लिखे ये बाजू. सेकंड नंबर. What made Taro sad? Shake was a very expensive drink and Taro earned very little money. When his father expressed the wish to have a cup of shake, Taro was doubtful of fulfilling his father's wish. This made Taro sad. यहाँ से लिखना है. शॉर्ट में लिखना ना, वेरी शॉर्ट है इसलिए इसमें यहाँ से. तारो वॉज डाउटफुल ऑफ फुलफिलिंग हिज फादर विश. दिस मेड तारो से, वो अपने पापा की विश पूरी नहीं कर सकता, उसका ऐसा डाउट था इसलिए वो सैड था. यहाँ से लिखना, वेरी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर है इसलिए. Okay. What did Taro want to do for his old parents? Taro was a thoughtful son and he wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. Okay. Why did Taro stop chopping suddenly? क्यों उसने बंद कर दिया? Because he suddenly heard the sound of rushing water. Okay, next. Where was the waterfall? The waterfall was behind a rock in the forest. How was the pitcher of shake bought by Taro became empty? Taro's father drank the shake and their neighbor. The lady drank the shake greedily from the pitcher. Everyone from Taro's neighborhood took a sip of the shake and thus the pitcher became empty. 5, 6. फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ मैंने लिखा है 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. What did Taro find at the waterfall when he reached there in the morning? When Taro reached at the waterfall the next morning, he found all his neighbors with pitchers, jars, and buckets there. What was the feeling of the villagers at the waterfall? When the villagers drank from the waterfall, they found nothing but water, and they felt that they had been cheated by the Taro. Why was Taro sent for by the Empire of Japan? Taro was sent for by the Empire of Japan to give him a reward for his good and kind act. How did the Empire of Japan reward Taro? The Empire of Japan rewarded Taro with 20 pieces of gold, and he named the most beautiful fountain in the city after Taro. Seven, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Short answer type questions. Answer the following questions in 2 to 3 sentences each. Describe Taro work. ये जो है Taro decided to work harder than before. How did Taro work then? फर्स्ट और थर्ड का आंसर सेम होगा आपको, लेकिन दोनों में लिखना है. नीचे 5 का भी है, देख ही लेना साथ में. On a stormy evening, Taro's father was feeling several cold and wanted a cup of shake to get warm. But the shake was too expensive for Taro to buy. Taro wanted to get a little shake for his poor old father, so he decided to work harder than before. Next morning, he got up early and went to the forest. There, he chopped and cut the till midday. He was so warm that he had to take off his jacket. His mouth went dry and his face went wet with the sweat. How was the story of shake spread throughout the villages? 5 number का क्वेश्चन है. Taro had bought the shake for his sibling father. That afternoon, their neighbors, a lady, visited their place. Taro's father politely offered her a cup of the shake. The lady drank it greedily and learned to the story of the magic waterfall from Taro. By nightfall, then she spread the story throughout the whole village. देख लो पहले. फर्स्ट और थर्ड का आंसर सेम है. नीचे का जो है वो 5 नंबर का क्वेश्चन पढ़ के आंसर लिख के कॉपी वर्क करने लगना. उसके नीचे ही 6 नंबर का भी है. डिस्क्राइब द स्क्रीन एट द वाटरफॉल वेयर द विलेजर्स गैदर देयर. द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग वेयर Taro reached the waterfall, to his surprise he saw all his neighbors with pictures, jars and buckets there. One of them neat and drunk from the waterfall. It was no shake but only water. They shouted that they had been tricked and decided to drown Taro in that waterfall. Taro had been wished and hid himself behind a rock and kept watching the going on from there. सिक्स नंबर का है जो मैंने वहां पे 2 लाइन का लिखा है उसका. Seven number. How did Taro's father show his happiness after drinking shake? Taro's father showed his happiness after drinking the shake by dancing. Why did the waterfall give Taro shake and other water? अभी 8 और 9 नंबर का साथ में ये देख लो. Why did the waterfall give the Taro shake and others water? Taro was an honest and hard-working woodcutter. He was not greedy at all. He wanted the shake for his father to make him warm so that he could save himself from the bitter cold. He did not want it for himself, for this kind did the waterfall would shake for him. But in the case of others, they wanted the shake for their selfish purposes. Therefore, they were deprived of it. They could get nothing but water. Why did the villagers want to draw Taro? In fact, for his unselfish motive, Taro had been blessed, and he could get the shake for his lying father. He told his neighbor everything about the magic waterfall tool. She spread the message, and the following days the neighbors reached the waterfall to fill in their pitchers, jars and buckets the magic drink. But they found it to be only plain water and felt that they had been tricked and were ready to drown Taro for misleading them. ओके अभी जो बाकी का बचा है वर्कबुक का वो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे कि बहुत बाकी है. ग्रामेटिकल वोकेबुलरी फिश आंसर्स